Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So as you can see, I have put in all of those broomsticks. I don't know if it's visible in the video, but I think I've put around hundreds of them. You can see this because they have been coming in. They have been sitting on the succulents, and you can see this. They have pulled out majority of them. I don't know what do they find in succulents, but they have pulled out all of my varieties purple delight. You can see this. They pulled out this one as well, and they have pulled out this one. You can see this. They have broken so many over here as well. So as you can see, they have pulled out a lot of succulents. They don't eat, or they're not biting into the succulents, but they're just uprooting them. I'm not very sure why do they do that, but there are so many of them. You can see this, and they literally pick it up from one pot and they just toss it off. So I had to use these sticks. You can see another one. And because I don't realize this, because there are so many succulents over here, I don't realize which one have they uprooted and thrown it off, due to which you can see they have got dehydrated because they have been out of the soil. I also added some water and vinegar, and I just sprayed a little bit on the floor so that vinegar can give that strong smell, but I think that is also not helping. So the last option was I went ahead and used these broomsticks. As you can see, there are like hundreds of them. So now they won't be able to come and sit over here. You can see this. It looks a little weird, but if that is going to help keep my succulents from getting uprooted, I think this is the only best option I can do. So I've put like hundreds of sticks, and let's see what happens, because a lot of them have been uprooted over here as well. You can see this. Some more. I think these leaves were pulled out by them. There's another stem that is pulled out by them, and I think that's over here as well. You can see this. These were all tiny ones. These are also uprooted by them. You can see they already have roots, but they have been pulled out. So I think these sticks might work. I'll probably add few more. You can see I've added some more sticks as well, so I'm going to keep some more of it. Like I did this yesterday, I did this last night, so it is going to take at least a week to see what is going on. So let's hope that they don't come and sit back on my succulents. So I'm going to take out the ones that have been uprooted, and I'm going to put them in another pot. Ideally these sticks tend to work out really well, because last time on the parapet where I had my succulents, I had put in the toothpick sticks, so those succulents were doing quite well. But now over here I didn't had anything. It was all open, and they used to just come, sit, pull out the succulents. So these sticks will not let them sit in between. So let's see. It's just a day one. I don't see anyone sitting today on this pot, but we'll keep a close watch. If you have an issue like this, I think these sticks will work out really well. You also get certain things online as well to keep the pigeons away. I have also used a lot of mirrors as well, and so that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.